Free African. So I came to give you money for the yesterday's rental bill.
How much is here?
It's 10,500, sir. So I rented 50 plates, 50 spoons, and 50 chairs, sir. So the total money is 10,500, sir.
This is all you got?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
You didn't take anything?
Yes, I'm sure, sir.
You're telling me the truth?
Yes, sir.
Take this for your transport.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
My God will smile on me. Oh God, I refuse to give up. I refuse to murmur. Soon and very soon, Chimugazamo. I'm waiting on God for my change. And I'm a cherishing. Whatever comes my way, it is well with my soul. And I'm a cherishing. I'm waiting on God for my answer. And I'm a cherishing. He knows what to do. He knows where to take me to. And I'm a cherishing.
It's obvious someone woke up at the right side of the bed. Now, which bird is singing this song that you're enjoying this early morning?
Mama, what song are you talking about? I don't understand.
You don't understand. Oh, let me tell you something. The child dancing a Gedege dance doesn't know that the old woman seated out there at the village square watching him once did the same dance, but at a faster pace.
Mama, I don't know what you mean.
Okay.
Mama, I think he has finally fallen in love with Chinedu.
Mama, I'm going to...
Mama,
I'm going to kill this girl.
Why would you want to kill her? Except she's telling the truth.
No, for not knowing when to shut her mouth off.
That means she's telling the truth, though.
Keep running your mouth every time.
Mama.
Mama. We are falling in Oloma Liense. You was what else again, Yaga, Udoma. When no be a queen, now go a walker. I'm not fear.
So you have seen and believed, right?
I have only. They were holding us and walking along. They didn't even bother if anyone sees them. Well, I wish them good luck.
Love. Ebuka should not break her heart. since she has started rejecting suitors for his sake. Because I don't see the very reason why Chinelo rejects Daniel. He lives abroad, he's handsome, he has car. Anyway, what am I even saying, Seth? Why did he come from my hand? Or is Chinelo more beautiful than me?
My friend, go and sit down. Where is the beauty, Kwano? Is it this nose? Or the mouth? Even with this height? Biko, go and sit down.
Lovette, my designer's nose. Lovette. So, if I go to Obodo Ibo, you not like it? Anyway, I'm new Oboy. My new will also join.
Chinelo, don't mind Ikenna. Sometimes, you know he has a big mouth. Sometimes he says things and I want to just give him a dirty slap.
Hey,
yes!
Eka, I was telling you then and you were wasting time. You were lucky. I would have just gone after him. Why you?
Then I would have killed you. Eh? I would have shot you like a hunter.
Oh yeah, hold on.
Like a hunter.
Wait, oh. Ikenna, do you mean he's denying he's in love with me?
Yes, so he was trying to deny it. I had to leave him because I know one day he would come around. He couldn't deny it anymore.
Ikenna, wait, Chinelo, are you believing this urchin?
Yes.
This antelope?
Yes. I believe him.
You believe him?
I believe him.
You do?
Yes.
Okay. Now I am certain that this is a conspiracy. You both came together and you have conspired against me. Thank you. No problem.
My friend, you are just lucky.
This is a conspiracy.
Just thank your God. I didn't bad now.
It is bad.
Why are Chicos so low?
So sweet.
You are just the best I've had.
Really?
I'm telling you. You're so sweet.
Okay. I like you. I like when you say that. You're so sweet.
I can always have you more and more and more and more.
Oh, please. Oh, I'm tired of reading this stuff. I'm tired of
No, you
reading.
can't be tired now. Come on.
Check out! What is this?
Are you?
What is going on here?
What is going on where? Are you mad? How dare you? How dare you barge in on me like this? What is wrong with you? You did Chris? Huh? What kind of rubbish is this? Meanwhile, who invited you here? Who? I am talking, you're still looking around. Please get out. Please get out before I lose it.
Gerald.
Out!
Gerald.
I said out before I lose it. I said out! Out! Damn! How can you just barge into me like this? Are you mad? Hey?
No, please don't beg me, please. Please, just don't touch me. I thought you said whatever it is you had with her was over.
Yes, and that was true.
So what's this?
I don't know why she keep bugging my life.
Oh, really?
Yes, I've told her that I do not want again.
Whatever it is, please, just don't touch me.
Babe, come on, don't do this.
Stay away from me. Don't touch me. I'm serious. Don't touch me.
You don't just have to do this. You know you're so...
I said don't touch me. I'm serious. Okay? Don't touch me.
But you're still here on the bed.
No, please. I don't believe anything you say anymore. Don't touch me, please.
You think say you sabi? Just watch and see.
Neka, you needed to have seen how he asked me to leave his house. He did not show any remorse.
Cynthia, you you really have to take things easy. You need to know that whenever good things start coming your way, temptations are bound to happen. You have to win this temptation, girlfriend.
This one is just too much on me. It's too much.
Listen to me, girlfriend. You have to go to Gerard's house and apologize to him.
What are you saying? Neka, what are you saying?
Yes.
Gerald should be the one apologizing to me, not the other way around. I mean, I caught him in bed with another woman and you were asking me to go and apologize.
Cynthia, firstly, you went to his house without telling him. Secondly, that woman might be his business partner. Whatever you think they are having might not be the way it is. You know how this big company works. They will ask for a favor before they give you a contract.
Neka, honestly, this thing you are saying is driving me nuts. I don't know how you want to put it or the color you want to paint it. But it is still cheating. Gerald cheated on me with another woman.
Cynthia, come here. Look at me. Just look at me. Like I said, Gerard might not be doing what you think. Baby girl, Gerard is a big fish. I don't want you to lose your relationship. So go to his house and apologize to him before you lose him.
You think say you sabi, just watch and see.
I'm waiting on God for my change. He holds the answer to all my questions. I believe in him, of course I'll wait on him. For he holds the answers to all my questions. Though sorrow may last for the night, oh, but joy comes in the morning. Oh, what to worry one more? My my God, I refuse to give up.
So, we are good, right? Yes. Alright. System!
Come back, hold on. Also, we are good, eh?
Good.
You've given out.
System! Down! Yeah, come. System.
Whose car is this, so?
It's my car, Mama. Sorry. It's my car. System.
Where's Uncle? Hey! You
are dancing.
Wait, Cheru. Benz! Are you serious? Hey, Jesus! Hey!
Sister, you are dancing.
I'm so happy. Hey, so this is your car. Then where is he now?
Oh, this is my friend, okay?
Oh, Vico, pardon my manners. Okay, come and sit down. I'm just happy. I'm overwhelmed. Hey!
Sister!
Jesus, Iye buemo, Magini Kamana. Hey! Omi Huku Jesus. Adini Jagai. God, I worship you. God, I thank you for this miracle that you've done in my family today. My brother now owns a Benz. Oh, Jesus. Jesus, oh, no, I'm so happy for you. Good to see you. Hey.
Oh, sister. I'm very sure if I had not left, I would be in the village by now. I traveled to a neighboring village where I got to do some site works for over a week or two. While working, the engineer actually liked me and he decided to take me to Lagos for another project. There I met, my friend, who actually helped me to meet a white man. Sister, don't look at him like this, oh. He's a big man. This man you're seeing here is MMM, money making machine. A very strong engineer. No, don't look at him, oh. This man is a very strong engineer.
Okay,
He's
thank
dressing.
you. Thank you. Thank you.
So the white man decided to take me to Turkey.
Eh?
Yes. I didn't stay in Nigeria for up to 4 months. No, I didn't.
Chiro, you mean you've been to Turkey? Where is this Turkey again? Asia or where?
Sister.
Okay,
Turkey is in Europe.
so you've been to Europe?
Yes.
Ah, Father Lord, I thank you. King of Kings, there is none like thee. You are God by yourself alone. Thank you for taking my brother to Europe and bringing him back safely for me. Okay, God will bless you. Thank you for all the help you rendered to my brother. Amen. Hey, God, this is great. Do you know, Uncle almost made me believe you're dead. Huh? But the Pokripo spirit in me, I did not allow him. I told him you are hale and hearted. I know you're very well and healthy. I refused to accept it.
Uncle me.
Thank God you're back and rich.
Anyways, don't mind him. As you can see, I am alive.
And rich.
Overall, alive. You are alive and rich.
Yes.
Hey, I don't know now. Now that you're rich, now I don't know the kind of food you're now used to. But
anything, Biko.
Okay. Let me just go to the kitchen. Can make another room here. Oh,
Sister Mo, I would have thought it would be preferable.
Okay, no problem.
Okay,
no problem.
Okay.
I would have thought it's been long. I ate it like.
Okay. You are food.
Don't mind me.
Anyways, you're welcome to my father's house.
It's okay. It's okay.
But we'll have to bring this one down.
Depends. All the time of God.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry for not calling you before coming to your house. I'm also sorry for not knocking before entering. That was very stupid of me. I'm sorry. Cynthia, when were you absent? When were you absent? Don't you know you were supposed to call somebody before coming to their house? Or don't you know you were supposed to knock before entering? You just entered as if you're the one paying the rent. Cynthia, receive sense. I'm sorry. It will not happen again. I promise. It will not happen again. Please forgive me. I'm sorry. I promise it will not happen again. I promise, I swear. It will not happen again. Please, don't forgive me.
Come on, sit down.
Just watch and see.
Have you forgiven me? I don't want to sit down. I want to kneel down here. My child, the love of my life, my sugar.
It's okay.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Haven't even really found a place that I call home. I never stick around enough to make it. I apologize once again, I'm not in love. But it's not as if I'm not. But it's not as if.
Yeah, hello. Are you there? Okay. Can you see me, son? Yeah. Hello, babe. Get up, I'm going out. Get up, I'm going out.
Babe, just go. I'll wait for you.
No, I have to. I don't know when I'm coming back today, okay? You need to get up so I'll drop you at home. If I should come back on time, I'll come and see you. Okay? Come on.
You think say you sabi, just watch and see. Wetin go happen oh. You think say you dey smart, just watch and see. God dey no be man no. No be man no.
Are you going out?
Yes, I am. But I'll be back in the evening.
It's alright. See you when you come back.
Alright, dear.
Take care of you. You should have joined him.
Oh, no, I don't want to.
Alright, see you.
Alright, take care.
Yeah, bye.
Okay.
You think say you sabi, just watch and see. Wetin go happen oh. You think say you dey smart, just watch and see. God dey no be man no. You think say you sabi, just watch and see. Wetin go happen oh. You think say you dey smart, just watch and see. God dey no be man no. You think say you sabi, just watch and see. Wetin go happen oh. You think say you dey smart, just watch and see. God dey no be man no. You think say you sabi, just watch and see. Wetin go happen oh. You think say you dey smart, just watch and see. God dey no be man no. You think say you sabi, just watch and see. Wetin go happen oh. You think say you dey smart, just watch and see. God dey no be man no.
Hello, Neka.
Hello, Neka. Hello, babe.
Can I ask you? What is it that that girl has that I do not have?
I think it's time you take it to the girl. Warn her to stay away from your man. If you don't do this, you might likely lose Gerard to her.
It's okay. Thank you so much for the pictures.
You think say you sabi, just watch and see. Wetin go happen oh. You think say you dey smart, just watch and see. God no be man no.
Chinelo, I am very happy that you have finally come to your senses to accept to get married. You are a beautiful girl, for crying out loud. I don't know what took you so long to accept to get married.
Omenka, she didn't say she invited us because she wants to get married. She hasn't said anything since we got here.
Then what do you think that made her to invite us, 3 of us here? There must be reason for her inviting us. Yes. Huh?
Who owns that car that's parked there? Is it for the man who wants to marry her?
I was going to ask her some question before I was carried over with the event. Chinelo, who is the owner of that car? Huh? Is she not hearing us?
It is me. Oh, I own the car.
What? Am I seeing a ghost or what?
Greetings, Iche.
Greetings, Nkegi.
How managed? How did you buy that car?
It's gone.
Wait. Are you sure you are not one of those Yahoo boys?
Balante.
What is Balante?
Malaysia.
Those questions are not the reason why we invited you all. I know you all lied against my late father. That is your 200,000 naira. My sister and I know you all lied against my late father. You lied when you said my father borrowed 200,000 naira from my uncle. No problem. I have given you your 200,000 naira. But let me warn. I do not want to see your feet in that land. If you do, then be ready for war between you and myself.
My elders, I saw you two receiving money from our uncle. Yes, I caught you red-handed, but we decided to act like we don't know anything.
Exactly.
Kita, so now we've paid the debt. We've taken our land back.
At this point, please, I want you to leave my father's house. Please.
Look at the way he's going quietly.
What do you expect him to say? Wicked man.
Money is good though.
This man needs to be dealt with.
No, don't worry.
So Uncle Menka could be that afraid.
Why won't he? Don't mind him. Sister, he has forgotten all the threats he gave to us.
But I hope you're not trying to carry out all those threats.
Of course I am. I am, if I ever see him step his foot into that land again.
Okay. We will recover everything we've lost.
Definitely.
Ego Joalo. That reminds me. I would want you to meet my friend and the mom.
Your friend and the mom?
Mm-hmm.
A man or a woman?
A man. Why are you laughing? What's wrong?
Sister one.
What is it happening because?
So, you now have a boyfriend in this village and you not tell me.
Look at this boy. Did I call him my boyfriend? I say a friend and his mom. Hey!
Hey!
I never said my boyfriend.
Okay.
He knows
No
where
wahala.
to take me to.
I'll wait and see for myself.
That is how God works. So, a lota that was working for people on their farm and they will pay him, traveled outside the country, came back with a fine car. Ogo, you need to see him. Oh.
That is a good news, though. It's not the family they think that nothing good to come out from. Look at them now. Ichomeka will be forcing Chinelo to get married. Now his brother have returned with goodies. Let's see what will happen. Hey, sister. Are you not going to the shop today? You and Ebuka is seriously joking with that shop.
What's the meaning of that one?
Meaning Ebuka should sell one more land to buy things and put in that rental shop.
Ogo, Ebuka is trying. Let me quickly go inside and dress up and go to the shop.
Okay, oh. Buy things when coming back, oh.
You know, your sister had always worried about you. Well, guess what? We both had you covered in prayers. And so that God will take care of you.
Indeed, God really answered your prayers. I mean, from the day I stepped my feet into Lagos, He made everything easier for me.
Jesus, Odogu. Odogu, Jesus.
No, Onna. Mama, what would you like to eat?
Mama, anything.
Depend upon anything. I like Ili Abacha.
Yes, Mama. See, let me speak on his behalf. You have to eat Mama's abacha. Mama's abacha is very delicious. Etanya, etabiraka.
Let me tell you the trick in that abacha. Audio gilinje me. That's what makes you to tabiaka.
Mama, where is Ebuka?
Since so toto. Ebuka left the house. He hasn't been back. Okay, so how has it been out there?
It's been wonderful. Everything has been going smoothly. Yeah, I thank God. So how are you?
I'm good. She's a wonderful girl.
She's a very wonderful sister.
I know. Be careful.
Hey, bitch! You dirty, fat-looking bitch! Slut! Why can't you steer clear my man? Has he not serviced your dirty, stinking hole enough?
One thing I'm not comfortable with is that idiotic smile on your lips. I will slap your ugly face if you keep smiling.
Oh, please. I don't have time for this.
Will you come back here? Are you mad? Are you stupid? How dare you walk out on me? Are you mad?
What will happen?
crazy or something? How dare you insult my friend in the public? And we finna make it easy? Eh?
Gerard, calm down. Eh? What you are doing to my friend is not good. She has been faithful to you all this while. Why can't you just do the same to her?
I said you're stupid.
Eh?
For putting your mouth in something that does not concern you. You're mad. Huh. And you, my ring. My ring. It is over between us.
Gerald,
Cousin Gerald.
is this what you have to say to
my
me?
ring.
Gerald, for crying out loud, you were the one that cheated on me. Why are you treating me like
And I said I am done. My ring.
My love, I'm sorry. My love.
I'll break your hand though.
Baby, I'm sorry. Gerald, no.
Ring him.
My love, please don't do this to me,
Give
please.
it to me.
No. My love, please.
You don't want to give me the ring. You want to force it, right?
My Gerald, my baby, my love, Gerald.
I'll break your hand now.
I'll not do it again. It will not happen again. My love, let me explain. It was the devil.
Give me that ring.
It was the devil.
I'll break your
Yeah? Sister, you will send me the account number. Okay. I already met with the engineer that would start work on that land. We both went there yesterday. We've checked and we did some survey work and checked the bill of quantity. But I will beg you, you have to give out your time to monitor everything that is going on that site.
No problems. I promise I will do that.
I'll be traveling tomorrow morning.
Hello, that's so soon. Makagenism.
So there's nothing I'm doing here again now.
But you've not seen my friend I told you about now. My friend I told you we are going to see.
But we went there now. He wasn't around.
He went out. He didn't even come back to the house that day.
Okay. Let's just see how tomorrow goes before I leave.
So Wadro. Still enjoying this my phone that you bought for me.
No, I'll get you a better one when I come back the next time.
Life is like a book with many chapters.
Chinelo, are you okay? Chinelo, is everything okay? You don't look happy.
My brother has come back.
Oh, I thought you said if I can get here early enough, I would meet him. I'm here.
Unfortunately, he has gone. His friends kept calling him, reminding him about his early flight. So he left here by 6 a.m.
By 6 a.m. Oh. It's okay. Maybe some other time I'll meet him.
I just wish you had met him. Maybe. Just maybe.
Maybe what?
Anything.
Oh. Maybe.
Also in the journey of the life.
We were engaged for 8 months. Like 8 good months. But he never made any plan for our wedding. In fact, he never discussed it. He did not.
Cynthia, to tell you the truth it's really somehow. But didn't you talk to Gerard about it?
I did. I did on different occasions. But each time I brought up the topic, he always found a way of changing it. He knew what he was doing.
This is really strange. Because normally people start talking and planning for their wedding after being engaged. I don't know why Gerard's case is different.
You know, sometimes I regret leaving Chukwuebuka. He gave me peace. There was no drama. There was no cheating. He was so transparent. I could see through him.
Girlfriend, you're forgetting something. He became broke.
Yeah. That penurious side of him was something I could not take. But Chukwuebuka is far, far better than Gerald.
It's okay. Can you just stop crying? It's alright.
Gerald knew exactly what he was doing. He played me.
It's okay, Cynthia. It's alright.
Many chapters. When you read, you learn and understand more about it. There are chapters of pains, chapters of sorrow, and of laughter. There are chapters of pain, chapters of laughter.
How many zero?
I not say I go smile.
Hey!
Just one day I don't say I go blow. Everything go fine and things go better. There are ups and downs in the journey of life. There are some.
See, this one is good. Yeah.
So how many rooms in total?
Okay, this one has 2 bedrooms downstairs, the ante room, then 3 bedrooms upstairs, and 1 family lounge, kitchen as well.
Okay, kitchen gone on downstairs.
Yes.
Okay, so hi. This design, the one somehow I don't really like it. Can you show me? Yes, now this house is for my younger brother now.
Okay,
Here the modern.
Okay, look at this one.
Wait, you built this one?
Nah, looking.
In Erucheleki, Lagos.
Ha. Even Abuja, everywhere.
Are you serious? This one is. Look, I think we'll go for this. Yeah. And don't forget, my brother said he wants the master bedroom to lead to the balcony.
Okay.
Yes.
So the master's bedroom will have access door
to the balcony. Okay, this is fine. This is fine, but you know the decision is not mine. So send it to my WhatsApp. Let me forward to him. If he's okay with the design, then he says he plan.
Okay.
I could say, but chetekwe.
No problem.
Chinelo, you asked us to meet at our usual spot. We're here and you're not saying anything.
I've decided to give you 20 million naira out of the money.
What? 20 million?
Yes.
How?
I'll suggest molding to my brother instead of buying blocks. If we mold, it is going to take us months before we even start the foundation. So you can have the money and do your business with it.
Chinelo, 20 million is a lot of money. I'm trying to think of a business to do to at least pay back a 20 million naira loan.
Ibuka, why are you thinking? You know your business. You are good at it. You know all the risks in that business. You once told me that distributors make so much money in that your business. Why don't you take the money, become a distributor? Before you know it, you're
You're right. I never thought about that.
Think about it.
But thank you so much. And we're going to, look at the building together. Okay? You have a good heart. God sent you to me. And I'll never disappoint you.
Please don't. Because if you do, my brother will kill me. Oh?
I won't disappoint you.
There are success and failure also in the journey of life. I thought I've lost everything in the job.
Ikenna, I'll be leaving for the city tomorrow. I've called some of my business partners. Remember I told you some of my friends got 2 shops for me?
Yes, you told me about that.
And my previous shop that got burnt. Thankfully enough, the owner is fixing it. He's almost done fixing it. And I still have my rent running, so the shop still belongs to me.
Nice. Nice. Everything is working out very fine. You're already a big man.
Thanks to Chinelo.
Your local girl. Some of these village local girls are far better than those city girls. Some men are suffering today because they ignored the local girls and went for the city girls.
That's right.
So you said you are leaving for the city tomorrow?
Yes, first thing in the morning.
Beautiful. Don't worry. God will make everything work out well. Don't be distracted. Focus more on your business. Always pray. And most importantly, hold it. I said hold your ears first.
My ears?
Yes, your 2 ears, hold it. Leave those city girls, so leave them alone.
I thought you wanted to say something important.
You already know the first experience, so that was one month.
Ikenna, thank you for your advice, but I have my plan.
Okay.
Yes, the job is going well, but the engineer is slow. Don't call him more. I don't want it to look like I told you anything. We'll be dating very soon. Okay, no problem. Bye-bye.
Everything goes right one way. One day I know,
Babe, there's a very big problem.
What is it?
Check this out.
Gerald and Lisa are... No. This is not true.
It is. Babe, this is the reason Gerald hasn't been talking about your marriage. He has been planning to marry Lisa all along.
This cannot be happening to me. No.
Babe, listen to me. I need to see Gerald. At least let me ask him why he's doing all this.
The signs were all there. It was boldly written, but I ignored it. Gerald has done his worst. Gerald has done his worst. He's done. Oh. No.
Baby, it's okay. Don't hurt yourself. It's okay.
No.
Baby, please just stop. Just stop.
No.
Baby, please just stop. Calm
No.
down. Don't hurt yourself, please. Baby, please, please. Cynthia, stop. Cynthia, stop. Cynthia, please stop crying. Stop.
Nigga, this can't be happening to me. No.
Baby, it's okay. Baby, just stop crying. Baby, I don't like seeing you like this. Baby, just stop, please.
Mama, I miss him so much. I don't want to disturb him. I want him to concentrate on what he's doing there.
No, man. I miss him too. But not that much because he's been in the city most times. But the good thing is that my brother sent back Ogechi to keep me company, so I will not be alone.
Mama,
the
girl's very lonely. Am I not here for you?
You're the main reason I'm surviving now.
That reminds me, I've not seen Oge since I came.
Is it that she's going for choir or she's reading? She's reading very hard to get into the university this year.
That's very good. That's very good. I wish her luck. Mama, count on me always. I will always be here for you.
I'm quite fine now. I know you'll be here, but you need to teach your Gage how to cook. So say when you cook age, we're malanya bonga. That one of where I come. Wow.
By now you know who I am. In case poverty has covered your brain, I want to remind you. My name is Cynthia Nwosu, and I am Ebuka's woman. I don't know what he told you, the lies he brainwashed you with that gave you high hopes. These past days he stayed in the village. But I want to make it clear to you that we are back, and back for good. We have done things together, both in the secret and in the open. We have been through a lot together, and I will not allow a dirty, stinking village girl like you to come and reap where you did not sow.